Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add gift card in WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, you need to add a new product. Click on this add new option right here. And then once you have done that, it will open the product editor of WordPress. Once you have opened it, you should be able to see the product title. So head over and then let's name it. So put in here $100 gift card, for example. So let's name this right here. So it's now been named. You can also add in here a product description and product image that you want to set for this, as well as the categories that you can use for this case. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to focus right here on the product data. Now, choose simple product and you can see in here this option for gift card. So head over and check that gift card right here. And then in here, you can put in here the regular price, and let's put in here a sale price of $95. Then you can also put in here a minimum quantity rule as well as inventory that you have available for this one. So let's head over and add in here a quantity. And then you can also put in here a low stock threshold and also the link products, attributes that you have for this one, advanced page that you have for this one, as well as a purchase note. And once you're done with that, just scroll up and publish this particular gift card that you have just created. Now, once it's been published, it should be able to be available for the public view and orders for them to actually buy this gift card that you have just created. In order to view what it looks like, you can head over and click on this link. So let's right click on it and open it in a new tab. And then it should be able to show on your actual card or store that you have in this case. Here is it right here. You can just put in here the gift card recipient email from right here, message, delivery date, and you can add this to your cart and buy it. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.